How are you, Evan? Hey, YouTube. So last night we had a strong wind. We call it the mini tornado. We had lots of branches falling from the trees, and it just caused a lot of trash all over our yard. I don't know if you can tell. All these branches. And the biggest one of all is this huge branch here. I don't know if a lightning struck it and it fell, but it's huge. And I gotta cut it with the chainsaw in pieces and burn it, because it's dangerous right now, you know, since we have the dogs out here, and with one little thing, that thing can probably snap and probably injure Bear and Remy. So I'm gonna be cutting this tree down, and yeah, hopefully it's easy, and hopefully my chainsaw is sharp. I used it before and I believe the blade was too dull, so we'll try our best. So guys, I got this fueled up. So now I gotta crank it up and then I'll cut it. Hopefully, if you can see, I sharpened it up a little bit. Hopefully it'll do his job. So figure this out. So I don't think you guys caught that, but the branch was caught on that limb right there. And as I pulled it, the branch hit the ground. It whipped around and it hit my knee. This is what I'm using right now to make it feel better. I didn't put it on the video. I forgot to press record, but that would have been funny for you guys. But yeah, it's dangerous, guys, so seek professionals to help you cut the tree. Other than that, just watch yourself. It's dangerous cutting these trees, especially when you have no experience. So one of the branches, or a big branch, struck me on my knee. Been putting some ice on it for the past 5 minutes. Hopefully it feels better later. Need to take some Tylenol. A little bit dehydrated. It's about maybe 98 degrees and it's humid and no kind of wind. But yeah, let me show you. So this is a branch that fell first and swung around and hit me on my knee. It was originally over here first, and it made me move maybe like 3 feet as it swung. So yeah, there was no way I could probably jump or run away from it, but it was caught on that limb right there. I scooted it down, and as it fell, it swung around on this part right here and struck me over there. You probably saw the before video of the tree all the way down here, but thanks to Miss Erica, she's helping me out putting the branches over there by the burn pile. Thank you, babe. But yeah, guys, if you have no experience at all, hire somebody or be cautious. I learned my lesson, right, Erica?
Yeah.
So, the things we gotta do to keep our property clean. But yeah, we're getting there. So yeah, guys, thank you for looking at my video, and I'm real tired. I'm a little dehydrated, so I'll see what else I can upload for you guys.